Welcome to our review on Adidas Neo Men's Cloudfoam versus City Shoes. Adidas is a brand that has been dominating the sneaker industry for years, providing stylish and comfortable footwear for people of all ages. Today, we'll be discussing two popular options from their collection, the Neo Men's Cloudfoam and the City Shoes. We'll be comparing these two shoes based on several factors to help you decide which one is the right fit for you. Let's get started. The Adidas Neo Cloudfoam and City Shoes have very different designs. The Cloudfoam has a more modern and sleek look with a net upper and a thick Cloudfoam sole. It comes in various colors and patterns, making it a great option for those who want to make a fashion statement. On the other hand, the City is a more classic design with a leather upper and a slim profile. It is available in more muted colors, making it a great option for those who prefer a more understated look. One of the key features of the Adidas Neo Cloudfoam shoe is its comfort. It has a thick Cloudfoam midsole that provides exceptional cushioning and support, making it perfect for activities such as running, walking, and training. The knit upper also offers a snug and comfortable fit. However, the City shoe is also designed for comfort. It has a cushioned footbed and a soft leather upper that conforms to the shape of your foot. While it may not have the same level of cushioning as the Cloudfoam, it is still a great option for those who prioritize comfort. When it comes to durability, both shoes are made with high-quality materials that are designed to withstand wear and tear. The Cloudfoam has a durable rubber outsole that provides excellent traction, while the knit upper is designed to hold up over time. Similarly, the City shoe has a durable rubber outsole and a leather upper that is both strong and flexible. With proper care, both shoes can last for years. Cloudfoam is designed for high-performance activities such as running and training. Its thick Cloudfoam sole provides exceptional shock absorption, while the knit upper offers breathability and flexibility. The City, on the other hand, is more of a lifestyle shoe that is designed for everyday wear. While it can still be worn for light activities such as walking, it is not designed for high-performance activities. Finally, let's talk about price. The Adidas Neo Men's Cloudfoam shoes are generally more affordable than the City shoes, making them a great option for those on a budget. However, the City shoes may be worth the investment for those who want a high-quality leather shoe with a timeless design that can last for years. It's important to consider your personal budget and priorities when deciding between these two options. You can find both the Adidas Neo Cloudfoam and City shoes at many sporting goods stores and online retailers such as Adidas, Amazon, and Zappos. Make sure to try on both shoes and consider your specific needs and preferences before making a purchase. In conclusion, both the Adidas Neo Men's Cloudfoam and City shoes are great options for men who want stylish and comfortable footwear. The Neo Men's Cloudfoam shoes are perfect for athletic activities and casual wear, while the City shoes have a classic design that's suitable for everyday wear. When choosing between these two options, consider your personal style, comfort needs, and budget to determine which one is the best fit for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope this review has been helpful in your decision-making process.